on the road edition of Shop Talk, and I'm your host, Phil. Hey guys, and I'm going to show you how to fix a little problem if you ever have this on the road. 2003 Dodge Ram, and we're out visiting Key West last night, and had a little problem. The muffler fell off. And just a break in the pipe underneath. As you can see, right there, it just popped apart. So, I'm going to show you all a little trick my daddy taught me when I was a little kid on how to fix this. You have the materials on hand. Alright, here we are. We got some tools here, and we got some hose clamps that we're going to use. And oh yeah, one important thing you need to get yourself. Make this repair, you're going to need a beer. Well, I think one beer can is what you're going to need. These Bud Light cans are kind of skinny, so you're going to probably need another one. Okay, now you got your two beer cans. Need to get yourself a pair of scissors. We got our hose clamps. Let's get to work. If you haven't noticed, it's extremely windy today, but I don't know how the wind is on the microphone, but we'll try to see if we can hear that. So what we need to do is we need to cut these cans open. The scissors should be pretty easy to cut. Could probably use a knife to do this too, but we're gonna use scissors. Aluminum is pretty thin. Also need to cut it down the middle. My father showed me this when I was a kid, and he used the soup can. The soup can's a little bit thicker, and the metal's a little stronger, but I think if we use two of these, it should work out just fine. Just one. Okay, we got our cans cut open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put those around the pipe and try to make a splice to hook that sucker together. Put my clamps around. And one of my clamps wasn't big enough, so I had to put two clamps together. You can see that. The shadow's in the way. Just put one clamp into the end of the other, open it up all the way, and got a spare for later. So let's go put the sucker on, see what happens. So here we are underneath. Hard to hold the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just slip these babies around. I'm going to line these back up. And I'm going to put one slit one way, one slit the other way, kind of cover each other up. And I'm going to put my hose clamps around it. And I don't think it's going to be a perfect repair, but it's going to be a lot quieter than it was. So I'm not waking up the neighbors. Alright, there it is. Bud Light repair. She's on there. She's holding pretty good. It's not going to get you a permanent repair, but this is a temporary, just to get you to where you need to go. This is the only one last thing to do after making such an awesome repair like this. So there you go. There's your repair. Last thing to do. Go to the fridge. Celebrate with a beer. Till next time, folks. If it doesn't fit, modify it. And this is Phil from Shop Talk.